This video will show you how to use Overdrive on a desktop or laptop with your Enfield Library Card. Open up an internet browser and type in enfield.gov.uk. On the Enfield Council homepage, scroll down and click the option which says Libraries. On the Libraries page, scroll down to where it says Digital Library. This will show you all of the digital resources which are available for free with your Enfield Library Card. In this video, we're looking at ebooks on Overdrive. When you click Overdrive, it will open up the home page. To begin with, we'll need to sign in. You'll select your library by either typing in Enfield or choosing it from the drop-down box and typing in your library card number. This might begin with 20126. It might begin with 0120. Or if you've registered with us online, the number will begin with the word unreg. Then enter your 4-digit PIN number and click sign in. You'll be able to search for different titles or scroll down and have a look at the collections put together by Overdrive. In this example, we'll have a look at this ebook and click on the title for more options. You can check out the description and the details and also read a sample. If the book is available straight away, you'll have the option to press borrow. If it's not currently available, you have the option to place a hold. This one's available, so we'll click borrow. You can choose to borrow it for 14 days or 21 days. When you've chosen, you click borrow and that will be added onto your account. You can download it in different formats or you can read it now in browser. That's what we'll do today. This will open up the book. To scroll through the pages, you click on the right hand side of the page, or to go back, click on the left side. If you need more options, click on the top of the page, which will bring them up. You can have a look and see how far along you are in the book by percentage. You can change the view, so you see one page at a time or 2 pages on the screen. You can also have a look at the different chapters, so you can skip through if you need to. You can also add bookmarks. You can add multiple bookmarks at a time. You need to click this button, and when it turns blue, you've added a bookmark. You can also adjust the reading settings. You can change the scale of the text. You can change the lighting. And you can also adjust the font size. There's lots of different options available here. Once you're finished reading the book, you can close the page. If you've added a bookmark, you can come back and continue reading from where you've left off. Now I'll show you how to return the book early. So you close the book, go back into your account and click on Loans. This will show you all the titles you have currently borrowed. The book will return automatically after the 14 or 21 days, or you can return it early by clicking Return and Return Title. The account limits are that you can borrow 5 loans at a time, you can have 5 holds at a time, you can renew the book 3 days before it expires as long as no one else has requested it. You can also recommend books to the library. You can also check out more information by clicking the links on the page. For now, I'll sign out, and that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and for more information, follow us on our social medias.